Day 68 of recording myself again doing this attempt of GET fluency. Do you agree or disagree that it is important for young people to learn some domestic skills like cooking, sewing and taking care of children? It is pretty important for children, not crucial important, like they will survive in the world without these skills. For example, I can't sew and I'm not really good at cooking, only simple dishes, but I can survive in general. This is good for enlarging and enriching your own minds, for observing this world and just getting familiar with something more closer. Maybe several decades ago, without internet, it was more important, because right now, for example, about cooking, we able to find any recipe in internet in several minutes and cook these dishes. Like when there was no internet, it was impossible, and we were supposed to know all the recipes like by heart. What does the male student think about the increase of the price for the university's dream? Male student doesn't really understand what this price will be increased for, because initially it was really low price, really low, and the price will be increased in 50%. So it is still will be pretty low, like relatively, so it's not going to be a problem for students' budgets to pay for this gym. But explanation what the management of university gave to students, it was pretty strange for male students, because they're gonna build new rooms for weightlifting, and the student thinks that they're not gonna build new room, they just will create a partition between rooms like wall, and it will not cost a lot. Also, they're planning to put some new shower cabins in gym. They don't really need students in new shower cabins. It was pretty normal conditions with the old and normal amount of showers. And he added that the prices for utilities, like for water and electricity, hasn't been increased, so he doesn't really agree and approve this choice. Task number 3, describe the 2 different types of organizational structures that the professor talks about. 2 main types of structure. It is functional and flat. Functional is a standard version of running the company and business, when we get a top, like executive position, then we have a middle management and low management, and this top like head of this company, CEO probably, he orders the middle management like what to do, and middle management they give these orders to low branches, to low different departments, also how to act. Flat structure is a completely opposite, when top of the company completely connected with the bottom, without this middle layer of management is better established, and it is better for small companies, for businesses, when you only start a business, to create this kind of organization. Last task, describe the non-specific defenses and specific defenses that the professor talks about. This is about immunity system. Non-specific defenses, it is, for example, skin. Skin prevents non-wanted bodies from going to our organism deeply. For example, the same with the stomach. When something is getting in the stomach, it can be melted and prevented from going deeper inside our body. Specific defenses, it is about like lower level. It is mostly about molecules, something inside our blood what we can see without a microscope. When some kind of virus has already gone inside our body, and the stomach and skin can't do anything with this, the molecules inside our blood come into play and play actually crucial role in this, because they can create some kind of additional processes and bodies to kill this virus and maintain a good normal health.